What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Honor X9 and Honor X9a to see which device is better when it comes to performance and in terms of benchmarking test score results. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. Here you can see that both of these devices, they come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor. Both of them got 8GB RAM, but X9 comes with 2GB virtual RAM and X9a with 5GB virtual RAM. Honor X9 got 128GB storage, Honor X9a got 256GB storage, and when it comes to software, Honor X9 is running on Android 11 and Magic UI 4.2, and Honor X9a is running on Android 12 with Magic UI 6.1. These are the benchmarking applications we got today here on our Honor smartphones. So first of all, let's start with Antutu benchmark. So Honor X9 scored 390,503 and Honor X9a scored 4014. If we have a look on the CPU, GPU, memory and UX, you can see that in CPU performance of Honor X9 is better, in GPU performance of Honor X9a is better, and when it comes to memory and UX, performance of Honor X9a is better, and this is what primarily contributing in the overall slight higher score of Honor X9a because it comes with a bit better storage in terms of RAM and internal storage, as well as the software version is better compared to Honor X9. So in this test, the winner is Honor X9a. Now if you have a look on the 3D mark, here you can see that in Slingshot, Honor X9 scored 4147, Honor X9a scored 4162. When it comes to Slingshot Extreme, Honor X9a scored 2952 and Honor X9a scored 2962. In Wildlife Extreme, Honor X9 scored 358 and X9a scored 360, and when it comes to Wildlife, Honor X9 scored 1210 and Honor X9a scored 1205. So out of these 4 tests, in 3 of them, performance of Honor X9a is better, and in the last one, performance of Honor X9 is better. So we can consider once again that X9a is the winner overall in 3D mark as well. Now if you go back from here and have a look on the last test for today, and that's Geekbench 5. So in this test, this time performance of Honor X9 is better as it is scored 675 in single core, 1931 in multi-core, while Honor X9a scored 666 in single core and 1926 in multi-core. If we go to the compute test score result, in this as well, the winner is Honor X9 as it is scored 1355 compared to 1200 of Honor X9a. So out of 3 benchmarking tests, in 2 of them the winner is Honor X9a and in 1 of them the winner is Honor X9. But both of these come with exact CPU, exact GPU. The amount of RAM is also same. The primary difference is coming from the Android version that is better on Honor X9a, and it also comes with a bit better storage compared to Honor X9. As you can see in all of these benchmarking test scores, the difference is very minute between these 2 smartphones. So it does not matter which device you are going to buy, you will get pretty much the same performance compared to each other. So that's all for now friends. A detailed comparison video of Honor X9 and X9a as well as the camera comparison video are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel, so do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.